Hello viewers, welcome to Pyresearch channel, and today we will exploring plant disease detection to deploy.
HuggingFace.
So I am facing a lot of issue how to our project will be deploy real time platform. So now I am decided to how to we are working on that real time means out of zone will be deployed our real time projects. So I am taking too much decisions of about the changing day by day in my PyS research channel. So now I am decided to the first of all, this video is very important for all of you. How to deploy real time plant disease detection. You can see the already deployed, and I have download the one picture, download leaf. Okay, leaf detection. So leaf detection and leaf disease. So we need to leaf. It's a spelling issue, and you can see there a lot of here leaf detection. I think it's rust and healthy. So it's first stage. Download your browser, your image. So you can see the plant has scraped 51.5 percentage. So it's too much problem. So how to deploy the real time with Hugging Face in form? First of all, you can go to the this project, and I am already providing the free of cost this project. Plant disease detection here the same. So already a lot of means already you can see code will be giving, model will be giving here the model file. Also you can see the here model file, and here I am going to download folder. Already download the this code from my Git account. First of all, you can go to the same directory with plant disease detection, and this file I am going to that put here my desktop in front of me. So it's very easy, and I am creating some videos very easy step by step. So you can deploy your live project and you also facing any issue like a demo, you creating some issues with no paid the cloud side. So also Hugging Face is providing that free space, 16 GB RAM and 15 GB CPU base, and also providing the us uh, space. I think, let me check. So I am going to my uh, this side. Okay, this side means I am open the first of all login side and put password. After you can see I am open successfully. We are going to the MySpace. The runtime error. Okay, you can see the we are getting error, and I'm going to file side. Okay, so you can see I am going to the file side also, and we need to information first of all how many space will you provide us. Uh, so you can see the your space is an error. Your space issue. This means this project is not working. We do not need this project also. I am going to the setting. You can see CPU 2 GB CPU, 6 GB RAM. It's free. then we will do the paid version 0.03 per hour. We do not need this any space. Just like how much you use space. We need this project will be simply it's enough for us 2 GB and 16 GB RAM. So app test plan. Okay, here click here the streamlet, create a space. When you create the space, you can see that this type of interface. So after you can see this type of interface, you cannot go commands. It's too much headache. So click here the file. You can see the how 2 files will be created afterward. We add the files, upload the files. Okay, so here you can see the model, application, requirement files already given, edit script. Okay, you can see the requirement files is given, and also here requirement files is there. Okay, so do not need the setup.sh file. We need 4 files: requirement file, model, and this. Just upload it. Okay, so you can see the model will be uploaded. It's taking time. It's too much, around 215 MB size of the model. So our model will be uploaded, our files will be uploaded, and then we all things will be uploaded. We are easily to access our application. So we are waiting for it. And finally, our application will be deployed. You can see that this icon, and now see the interface of the application. Click here the application, and you can see the logs, building logs. Okay, so automatically install all dependencies, and automatically will be content to the application side. So after build the successfully application, you just upload you can see here the local IP and upload public IP. Yeah, and here for. Okay, so yeah, here this icon, invite this space and press this link. You get this URL. Okay, now you can see our model is running successfully. So after running, we have one picture to upload the here. I need the west leaf. Okay, so here the browser, and upload. After upload, you can see the 51% our model and application is working fine now. Okay, so we need another picture, JPG format. First of all, JPG format. Okay, so browser, and you can see the image and one. Here the rest 99%. So hope you like it, and you support our channel for more getting information updates, any type of confidence you get, any type of order, you comment now. We always open for you, and keep support us.